Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY and USD CHF they have performed last week and how they can perform in this particular week, the coming week. See, if we look at this chart, we can see that the price of Euro USD made a high of around 1.22622 on May. Okay, after that it is continuously in the downtrend, and from there it was in this particular range, again made a high, and from there it again came down and now moving in this particular range. Okay, before that, if you like this channel, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friend if you like it. And if you have any doubt regarding forex position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one mail ID I have given in the description. You can check that. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. You can check it. And plus, if you have any doubt also, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working. Okay, see, look at this trend. After the sharp fall from here, it took a support at this level, and from there it moved up and now again coming down. And if you look at this point, we can see that these two are a strong support, and these two are already tested twice. So chances will be very high that if it comes close again to a level of 1.17024, then chances will be very high that it can break this level and can go further low to a level of 1.17 around. Okay, I will show you till where it can go. But if we look at the upper side, okay, so be very ready if it comes close to around 1.17249. so because as if it comes close to around 1.17102, chances will be very high that it can break a level of 1.17039, because this level is already tested twice. So chances will be very high that it can break this level and can go further low. Okay, suppose if this is the particular range, now it is making and now trading at 1.17471. okay, so once this level goes upside, okay, 1.17497, then if it touch this level, then it can go to a level of 1.17554. and if it goes above this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1.17684. okay, suppose if this level sustain, then we can see a level of 1.17806, and this level is already tested twice. So chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 1.17838. and if this sustain this level, then we can see that it can go further high to a level of 1.18066, and then further high to a level of 1.81179, and from there we can see a level of 1.18317. suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then if it comes, now it is trading at 461, then chances will very high that if it didn't sustain this level, it can come to a level of 1.17432, and from there it can come to a level of 391. okay, 1.17375 around. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see that it can go further low to a level of 1.17270 or to a level of 245. But this level is only tested once, so chances will be very high that it can bounce back from this level. Or suppose if it breaks this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.17180, and from there we can see a level of 1.17091. okay, and then can go to a level of 1.17067. okay, this is, and if it comes close to this level, I have already told you that chances will be very high that it can break this level and can go to a level of, I'll show you, then chances will be very high that it can go to a level of 1.16859, and this level is mostly tested twice. So chances will be very high it can go further low to a level of 1.16595. okay, so now if we talk about USD CAD, see, if we talk about USD CAD, what we can see here, that a narrow pattern is forming. Suppose if this breaks downside 1.25060, then chances will be very high that it can come to a level of 1.24235, okay, before touching a level of 1.24701, and it can go to a level of 1.21163, and from there we can see a level of 1.23051. Suppose if it goes upside, then chances are high that if it cross upside, then we can see a level of 1.25921, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.26207, and from there we can see a level of 1.27391, okay, and can go further high. But you have to remember that a narrow pattern is forming, so chances will be very high that it can break this level and can go further low or further high on this particular point. Keep this as a stop loss, and then we can see it can go further low and further high. If it crosses a level of 1.25923, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.27366 also, and if it goes below a level of 1.24838, then we can see a level of 1.24196. If we talk about USD CAD, if we talk about USD JPY, then if we talk about USD JPY, you can see that the price of USD JPY is volatile. If you look at this trend, we can see the trend is volatile. Now it is trying to move up, but suppose if it sustain a level of 110.252, then we can see that it can touch a level of 110.480. If this sustain a level of 110.260, then chances are high that it can go further level to a high of 110.601. If it touch this level, then we can see, because this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 110.813, and from there we can see a level of 111.131, and this level is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 111.647. but suppose if it breaks downside, goes below a level of 110.222, then we can see that it can touch a level of 109.964, and from there we can see a level of 109.674, and if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 109.343, and then further low to a level of 109.055. okay, so if you have any doubt, you can mail me, and I've already told you that please watch the full videos, and you will understand how this technical works. And okay, if any doubt, I have given you mail ID and plus numbers also I have given you. You can WhatsApp me or anything, okay, we can discuss it, okay, but that all will be my personal view. Please consult your financial advisor before investing and trading. Now if we talk about USD CHF, see, USD CHF also have shown a good volatile market, okay. If we look at this trend, the trend was down, now it is trying to go up, okay, and the range, the resistance we can see at around 0.92739, okay, and the low we have seen at around 0.90150, okay. So look at this chart, okay, 0.92475, okay, and a low of around 0.91418. so this range is a very important, and this range is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that if it comes close to a level of 0.92660, then it can break this level and can go further high to a level of 0.92792, and then from there we can see a level of 0.93267, and from there we can see a level of 0.93769, okay, and then we can see further high to a level of 0.94218, okay, and then we can see, because these levels are already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go further high to a level of 0.94707420. but suppose if it breaks this level, a level of 0.92250, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.91603, and from there we can see a level of 0.90995, but only if breaks a level of 0.91682, okay, and suppose if it breaks this level, then we can see a level of 0.91022, and from there we can see a level of 0.90784, okay, and this is a strong support. If this level breaks, then we can see a level of 0.90176 also, okay, but as of now I am looking that if it is sustain above 0.92448, then we can see a more upside, and till the time it didn't cross a level of 0.9199. so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.